Most of the people of New Zealand live in one of the three big cities, Auckland, Christchurch, and Wellington. New Zealand is part of British. Average life expectancy is 80.4%. Annual military expenditure is $2,070,000,000. Main languages are English, Maori, and New Zealand Sign Language. Many people in New Zealand are Christians. Their favorite food is burgers. Their favorite holiday is Christmas. Kids from New Zealand go to school from the age of 5 to 16. 80.7% of people in New Zealand can read and write. New Zealanders like a high standard of living. This means that most of the people live comfortably. Although only a small portion of the population is employed in agriculture, 6.5% of the population are unemployed. New Zealand kids are known as Kiwi kids. Most of the people of New Zealand have a car, but people are often taking the bus or the train.